Hey guys, welcome back to another video. As you can see, we are in White Knuckle Trails here, and we're going to be logging just a bit. Or at least, I believe we're going to be logging. It says this map has a lumber mill, and it has a pickup point. So, we're going to see about that. We're going to be in the jungle, so I'll take that one. Okay, where's my scout? There he is. That's a bit laggy. Pretty sure it just damaged my trucks by just dropping them in like that. That's a trailer. You know what? First, let's get the BMW out of here. BMW, if you could, bro. Yep, you're good. Oh, that's the wrong way. Hold up. Really? Okay, now let's... I need fuel trailers. I can't tell what that's doing. Eight points? What even is that? Generator. Ah, there you are. Not what I meant to do. Let's just come down here. Yeah, nope. 600 liters. Come on. I need something bigger than 600 liters. Points, 600 liters. Actually, 600 liters actually. Tiny little bar thing. 7,000. I should not be able to have 7,000. 1,800? Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Wait, it's not attached? Oh, you're joking me, come on. What is the fuel trailer? What? trailer should not have been able to do that. Come on. Oh, are you joking me? Haha. Okay, let's move this thing a little bit, like, way farther down the road here. We need to be able to pull our trucks out properly. Here we go, let's get that Huntsman. Let's get him out of here. And his tiny trailer. I'm the only one around here, so I can take up the entire road if I want to. The way the trailer, like, got almost tossed over the front at that point. It was great. What is it? Oh, it's that stupid little thing. 600 liters. There we go. Wait, no, I don't need fuel. This one needs garage points. Actually, wait a minute. Forget garage points. This thing needs to be repaired. This thing needs to be a repair truck. 600 repair points. 600 repair points also. Everything seems to have 600 repair points. Okay, where's the... That thing looks cool. No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't! Oh god, please. Oh no. I can't get it off! Jesus, man. Yeah, I need the, okay, yeah, I need the Wertod thing. Yeah, I need you. Would you look at that, the repair truck needs repairing. No, I need... Come on. Gotta get... Oh no. It's intertwined. Yes, recover this thing in the garage, please. Okay. I need you to pull you. How did that? What happened? What's with this map and shoving trailers inside of my things, man? Oh, there it is. Oh no. Oh boy, man. We're playing a risky game here. Whoa. Oh boy. Come on. Nice and gentle, nice and gentle. What is that under the flippin' mud? That's why it keeps shoving everything inside me, because they put the wall right here. And if you try to spawn a trailer in while it's inside a wall, it will teleport forward so it's not inside the wall. So what it kept doing was it kept teleporting inside of me, which was not good, obviously. Really? Yeah, reset that trailer, please. And you have to jackknife the trailer a little bit. And you have to stop engine, change truck. Let's get you out the way a little bit. Oh my god. This thing is so sensitive. It gave me two liters of fuel left. Nice. I have to continuously keep jackknifing my trailer. Whoa. This thing don't flippin' turn. I'm sure it's fine to park trucks this close. In real life, I promise they do stuff like this. Just gonna park my truck real nice and tight. Okay. Just drag it. Oh, I didn't mean to turn its parking brake on. I don't need this thing to have fuel. I need... What do you mean position it properly? Oh, it's inside the ground. I see what's going on there. I don't know what you want me to do. This is like as far as it's getting. You can't just spawn it a few inches in the air or something. Oh, you gotta be joking me, man. Oh, you gotta be joking me. Oh, are you joking me? How? Why does the trailer need to be that long? Oh, why would they put this here, bro? Okay. It's fine. Okay, this will be the transport truck if anyone gets stuck. Oh, you gotta be joking me. Really? Oh, this thing is such a pain to drive, you don't want to even know. Dang it, I wasn't trying to back up. Oh, you gotta be joking me. Okay, that works for me. Just move and plow over it. Okay. Okay, where do you guys think this, where do you guys think this, first flippin', is that breakable? I didn't think so. Come on, little trailer, just get yeeted, please, thank you. Ah, fuel station. Nice. Okay, woo, that's a bit of a drop. Aw, man, I took some damage. Wolverine Raven Trail, Scorpion Springs Trail, Rocky. Short and Sweet Trail. We don't want the short and sweet trail. We're in a beast. Who would? I don't know what trail that is or where it's going, but I'm sure it said. But I'm looking for some flags. That's a real rocky path. I'm just gonna go down this path. Rocky Runner Gaming. White Knuckles Trail, Scorpion Trail. Right there? Whoa. Okay. I can do the Scorpion Trail, I think. These things could use a little bit of a lift kit, but it's fine. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Could use some powerful driving, not just fast. These tires could use a lot more grip. Are we supposed to go down there? Well, I mean, I guess I'm going. Yep, we sure are. There's no flags on this map, are there? Am I supposed to climb up that? No. Okay, I can't see nothing. Here we go. Come on. Are you joking me? Okay, I'd rather climb up the flipping cliff here. Oh, come on, I need to put in the automatic. You know what, sure. Put in reverse. What is... That wheel isn't digging into anything, is it? Why is there a tree here that's in my way? Come on, get out the way, tree. Pretty sure you're supposed to... That's better. A very small map, but you know, whatever. I don't build maps, I don't know how hard it is. I can't just judge someone's work without knowing how hard it is to do that work. You can't do that. You can't judge someone's work based on how hard you think it is. Like, hey, I may think it's easy to make a map, but little do I know it might be completely impossible. You can't just judge someone's work and say, oh, that's trash, and assume that you can do better, not knowing how hard it is. I mean, there's a few people out there, or like, there's a few times you can do something like that, where it's like, did they even try? Was it their first time or something? Or, like, where it seems like you could do better, even though there's a small chance, even then you could probably not do as good as them. You're supposed to go down that. How long is this? What if I just... Come on. There you go. Oh, there you go. Come on. Oh, whoa, it's kind of deep there. Not too deep, though, because, haha, here I am. Just probably cut a whole extra 10 minutes off the video. And I would have never got to drive the semis, if I didn't. So, there we go. What? Why can't you winch when you're rolled over? You can't even turn your wheels, really? That's actually a bit annoying. We might have to come back to him. Huntsman? Yep, there you are. What does the inside of you look like? Not great. It's you can't see nothing in this thing. That thing just flipping came to a halt. Why do I have... Is this supposed to be like a fire rescue truck or something? Probably. And what am I using it for? Mud bogging, basically. Come on. There you go. There you go. Let me just eat the tree real quick. There you go. Come on. Trailer, you good back there? Yep. There's the headlights button. Okay, we already know this is the trail we want to go, with this thing at least. Rusty Peak Trail, Fender Bender Trail, Crystal Lake Trail, Rattlesnake Canyon Trail, Lookout Hill Trail, Rusty Peak Trail. I don't like the sounds of Rusty Peak. Exhaust, jeez, man. This thing is more than a beast. It's a flippin'. It's an exhaust, that's what it is. I ain't getting that thing up that, no. Crystal Lake Trail. Seems like a very short trail. Fender Bender Trail. That's more. That should be called White Knuckles Trail itself. Okay, where should I set the fuel up station? Right here seems good. Pull off to the side a little bit. Can you get through around the trailer? Yep. How are the lights connected to the engine? There's the headlights. Beep, 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 beep. Remember how much of a pain this thing's engine was. Or this thing's, whatever you want to call it, its trailer. Its engine, its trailer, its generator, whatever you want to call this thing. Why did it get so dark? Come on, man, come on, come on. Was there a trail there the whole time? Or am I just blind? Am I pulling on a dead log? Oh, I can just knock their poor little signs over. I didn't mean it. I'm sorry. Beep beep. Oh no. I ain't getting to that. Someone from just an average mission to now it's a survival mission. It's a rescue mission, come on. Oh, you can knock rocks down by honking. Why? He also shakes the trees up a bit. There goes all the tiny little rocks. Yes, that's actually a little bit useful. You can drive up to like a little edge and you can just honk and all the rocks on that edge will fall over. Whoa, overturn. Come on, come on. You can do it. Come on, man. You're almost there, bro. Come on, you can do it. You can do it, man. This thing ain't getting down there. Should have picked a better rescue vehicle. That's what I should have done. And you. You're a part of the rescue crew, but I don't know what part. Do any of these do anything? What? Oh, no way. Is that what I think it is? I could have lifted the trailer suspension up. Are you joking me? That's useful to know, but I wish I knew it sooner. That wasn't... I forgot how flippin' insanely this thing turns. Oh, I hope I can just pull it over that. Come on, man. If we can get this thing down this first little path, I'll call that a success. A success. Oh. I mean, I got most of the way. I'll call that a success. To be honest, it wasn't the smartest to bring this thing. That's better. I don't know what it's stuck on, but it's stuck on something clearly. Okay. Yeah, this thing is great for, you know, going on straight ground. I didn't realize how annoying it can become if you're trying to actually do a trail here. Never used it. All I know is this truck looks insanely cool. It's so aggressive with the turning, bro. Oh yeah, we made it to the fuel station. Nice. Well, I'll see you guys in the next one, like always. Peace.